What other product increases productivity due to an amazing flow rate of 1,600 litres a minute? One of our customers saved £15,000 simply by switching to the JSY 5000 manifold. You really need to listen to this. The customer at hand specialises in manufacturing X-ray machines for the food industry. They had a problem with the harsh environments and the washdown with the manifolds that they were currently using. This often led to their failure, lost time shortages, production stoppages, and impacted on the reputation of the company. Switching to the SMC JSY 5000 manifold, they saved £15,000 in the first year alone. This product is designed to withstand adverse environments and is IP69K compliant. It allows high pressure, high temperature water jet cleaning with stainless steel, high anti-corrosion performance. The JSY 5000 manifold has a clean design valve with a crevice-free exterior. The compact and lightweight design of the manifold ensures that it is part of the reason this customer was able to make significant savings. The JSY 5000 manifold withstands adverse environments and it can be used in most food and beverage applications. So, if you want to increase your productivity and reduce your product failures with the JSY 5000 manifold, please contact me directly. Follow us on LinkedIn for the latest hygienic product updates from SMC.